it's Jenny with Jenny's Wreath Boutique, and today we are going to be making a beautiful Christmas wreath. Also, I have to tell you, right before I was about to make this video, I was taking out my trash. I took it out to my trash bin, and there were lots of just stems that I had cut off with my wire cutters. And I was lifting up the lid, and I put the trash in, and I'm super clumsy. The trash bag kind of like went against my face, and all the sharp edges just really scratched my face up. So that's why I have these scratches on my face, especially this one, but oh well. Job hazard, right? Anyway, let's get into the materials you're going to need for this wreath. This wreath, I'm going to be using a pre-made frame. So it's got flocked greenery on the outside, and the back is just this wire frame. And because I'm using this wreath is going to be so fast and so easy, you're going to love it. And I'm also going to be using these white peonies. They have some sparkle on them that are really pretty, so they're really wintry. I'm going to be using this flocked greenery. I know this wreath is made of flocked greenery, but I like to add other ones to add more texture and dimension, and I love the flocked pine cones. And this is actually one I've cut up and used other pieces already for my lamb's ear winter wreath that I showed you in my video about my lamb's ear wreath and making 3 different Christmas wreaths out of it. So half of this is already used from that. I'm going to be using this beautiful pick with the glittery stems, or the glittery leaves, and the red berries. I think that's really cute. I'm not sure yet if I'm going to be using white berries or red berries. I guess I could use my glittery berries too. I also have these I might use. I do like the glittery texture, but these are expensive and I have limited supply, and I have a lot of this. It's one thing to consider when you're making wreaths is how much material do you have. And then for some more added texture, I love adding eucalyptus to my winter wreaths and my Christmas wreaths. I think it's so pretty, gives it a modern look, and I just love eucalyptus. So there you go. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to fluff out our wreath because it's kind of compact. It doesn't look good. We want to make it look really real, so we just fluff it up. I like this one in particular because it has the different textures. It has this longer pine needle and the shorter pine needle mixed in. And that's probably why this was really expensive. I didn't get it for expensive. I got it on sale. I don't know how much % off it was, but it was normally $30 and I got it on sale for $6, which is amazing. This is a 24-inch wreath. This is the tag for it. See, it was $30. That's a lie. This is not a 24-inch wreath. This is a 22. I would even say 21-inch. Maybe I'm not fluffing it up enough. Maybe if I pull everything all the way out, it'll be 24 inches, but this is 22 inches. Even though it says 24 inches, I will probably list this as a 22-inch wreath. All right, so now that we have our wreath all flocked, also, I forgot to let you know, I have my wire cutters linked in the description, and I also have my favorite glue gun and my hot glue, also linked in the description if you're interested in what I use. So now that it's fluffed, I'm going to first add some more greenery. Oh. Let me see. Okay, so I'm just gonna put some hot glue on it and stick it in there in the base. And then do one on the other side so it's even-ish. I just love the texture this brings. If I had more, I would put more in there, but this is all I have right now. Another benefit to using this kind of wreath is obviously it's faster, but it's already really round, where if you have a grapevine wreath, sometimes you have to work a little to make it round because they don't always come out perfectly round. Sometimes you'll have more of an oval shape or a wonky shape. So I like this because you don't have to worry about making it round, which can save a lot of time as well. Oh, I love the pine cones. Now I'm going to add my flowers, not the leaves. I don't normally use flowers like this in my winter wreaths or my Christmas wreaths, but I actually ordered these by accident. I just wanted plain white peonies and they came glittered, but I think they look so pretty for Christmas, so I'm going to use them. It's a happy accident, right? So I'm just placing them around the wreath so I know where to glue them in. I think 5 is a good number. Now I'm just going to glue them in. Hopefully. It's hard because it's not a grapevine, so I'm literally just gluing it to the wire that has this extra greenery on it, and this part is not having good contact. A lot of people ask me why I use a glue gun instead of a glue pot, because with a glue pot, you stick your glue in it and then it's all melted, and then you just dip your stem in and then you put your stem in your wreath. But I like this because I can bring it right to where I need it, and it's a lot cleaner than a glue pot. So if you're wondering, now you know. Okay, now I'm going to get some more of these. I'm going to cut these in half. Aren't they so pretty? I love these. These are from Hobby Lobby, and I think they're so pretty. I didn't know what I was going to use them in, but as soon as I saw them, I bought a bunch in store, and then I bought a bunch more online. Because I don't know about you, but I like to feel and touch my greenery, or anything really, before I buy it. It's always risky when you buy stuff online without knowing what it looks like in person. This is really cute. I'm glad I cut it in half because it really tucks in well. Okay. Looking so pretty. I love it. I don't know what berries. Before I decide on if I'm going to put berries in it, I'm going to add some eucalyptus. I just think that touch of green is so pretty. It kind of gives it that designer look, I think. I need one more piece. Oh, this is so pretty. I could just leave it like this. But I'm gonna add some pine cones. You guys know I love lots of texture, and pine cones, of course, add the perfect texture. So I only have 4, and there's 5 flowers, so I'm gonna try and nestle them in a way that it doesn't look weird only having 4. There it is so far. Now that makes a beautiful winter wreath. Do I want berries? If I had red glitter berries, I would totally use those, but I don't. I think I like these. Take the price tag off, also from Hobby Lobby. So I will cut these in half. And we'll rotate 3 stems and 2 stems. We'll see how that looks before I glue it in. I love that. That's so elegant. I like these white berries too, but I really like that pop of red for Christmas. If this is going to be just a winter wreath, I would do everything the same, except I would switch out these berries for the red ones. But I love this so much. Okay. Oh wow, this is beautiful. They kind of look like cranberries. I have that cranberry red color. Interesting fact about me, I actually lived on a cranberry farm for 5 years. My dad was a cranberry farmer. He was a dairy farmer before that. So I love cranberries, especially around Christmas. I think they're so pretty. There we have it. Here's our wreath. I love how it turned out. It's even better than I had imagined it. I love this. Tell me what you think. Were you worried about me using peonies? I was a little bit worried too. But I actually really love how this turned out. Yay, I'm so excited. Oh, I'm so excited. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't done that already. And let me know what you thought of the wreath, and if you would make something similar. See how easy it was now that since we started with the flocked base already? That saved so much time. Anyway, I love this. I can't wait to get it listed in my shop. Yay! All right, I will talk to you guys later. Bye.